Meaning of essential oil.
Essential oil.
Essential oil.
Essential oil.
Essential oil. An essential oil is a concentrated liquid containing volatile aromatic compounds extracted from plants. These oils are often used in aromatherapy, which is a holistic treatment that involves using plant extracts for therapeutic purposes. Essential oils can be used to improve physical and emotional well-being, as well as to enhance the environment. The benefits of essential oils depend on the specific oil and its properties, but they can include improving mood, reducing stress, boosting immunity, and aiding digestive health. However, it is important to use essential oils safely and always follow proper dilution and application guidelines.